Okay guys, what you are going to need for this project is a measuring cup, a teaspoon, some borax, some glitter glue, and a couple of bowls and something to stir it with. Take the whole lid off. Okay, now one at a time. Let's try with Jacoby first. I want you to pour some into the water. Just stir that up with your fork. Keep stirring it until it's all mixed in. Okay? Okay, now Jarek, you go. Let me see. No, actually, you start stirring it.
I used all of it.
Stir it up. Go ahead.
We just added warm water to this bowl.
Now we're adding a teaspoon of borax. Whoopsie daisy, spilling it all over myself. To the warm water.
Pour this into the glue.
Go ahead.
Where's the pour it?
Okay, now start stirring it. Keep going, stir, and then once it starts stirring up, then you can start pulling it with your hands. Trying to get it mixed together. Okay, now use your hands, Jacoby, to squish it together. It's mushy and weird, huh? See, squish it together and then it starts collecting all this stuff.
This is super slimy. Yeah. I need to wash my hands. And fun. Ew.
What do you think? What does it feel like?
Slime. It's like slime.
Is it weird?
It smells like Play-Doh red.
Can you make it into a ball?
A ball. Like this.
It looks like a big... Look how glittery it is.
Wait, are we done?
Uh-huh.
We're done?
That's it, I know, right? Pretty cool.
Just like a hairdo. Just like the glue. I'm trying to make a ball. I'm almost done.
Cool, Bubs.
Let's play some baseball.
It's like a ball. Bounce it. Watch.
Super sticky.
Watch, let it bounce.
You should try it. Boing, boing.
It's fun, huh? That was an easy project. We are the Pitnikoff 5 and this is our life. We aren't perfect, but we strive to have joy and love fill our home every day. If you've enjoyed watching, please subscribe. We'd also love to get to know you, so please comment below. We hope we can bring joy and laughter into your home. Thanks so much for watching.